this and hit the switch.
Look, oh, yeah, it's coming on now because you're, yeah. Now, I bring it down to temperature, hit that. Now, hit it.
There you go.
So you got an automatic shut off, the limit switch makes, or if the temperature gets above 80 degrees, well, it has to be on. Down what?
That's for the switch, the limit switch. That's